So you've got a couple of drawings to show me then, Alex.
Yeah, well, what we've done is we've done a couple of plans. So for it to comply with them building regulations and the planning regulations, it needs to be transportable on the back of a trailer. That's the term. And it needs to be done in 2 parts. So we've got to be able to lift it out in 2 parts and put it onto a trailer or the back of a lorry. So that limits the width. So we're at a width of 8 foot internally. And that's about 2 meters, 690 externally, which will fit on the back of a lorry. So you could have this one here. So what we've got, as you can see that, we've got the bathroom. So this is a boiler cupboard. So in here is your boiler that supplies your hot water. There's your WC, your basin, your shower curtain. So you can walk in here and get a shower. Here we have a kitchen with a fridge, tall fridge, your basin, microwaves, everything that's required. You have an eating area here, just table and chairs. Come into here, there's a wardrobe, there's a bed, and then there's a chair. So this would be your ideal grad pad.
Well, so for a graduate coming back from uni.
Yeah. Or the other thing that this could be, one of the things that I've noticed is people decide, that's a good idea to move into the back garden at my daughter's house. Let's sell our bungalow or our house and let's invest £70,000 into a studio. This 12-month journey, which is frustrating. You know, at the prices we're going to be selling these, you won't sell the house. You could put this in and try it. Put this in the back garden, try it, see if it works for you. If it does,
maybe you could just remortgage your house to release a little bit of equity.
Yeah, don't sell your asset, which is probably making money for you.
Yeah.
Don't sell it. But you put this in, which is a single bedroom. So if it's one person, put this in and say it works for you. Okay, it's a bit compact. But then you could...
So another option.
Here's that same...
So the rear of that is very similar.
Well, it's the same studio. So here's your bathroom, here's your kitchen, which was the bedroom. So what we've added, because these are boxes, we've added another box to this one to create a bigger bedroom.
So you've got an independent bedroom space.
And an independent lounge. So this is a working area, and these are your 2 parts.
And weren't you saying as well that second section could actually be added at a later date?
Yes, that's crucial. That's the design. The key to the design is that we're creating squares that can be bolted together. So this studio, the windows in this studio, this wall would be removed. The windows would be placed here. Them windows within this studio, and then a new wall added in here, an internal wall with a door into the toilet, so and then a door into the kitchen.
And obviously you've used that extra space just for a nice little bit of decking.
I've created a deck area there, which we could do easily. Yeah, chairs. But this is somebody who's asked us about living in the back garden, so this is something we've designed. I know I make outlandish goals, but I'm talking of building one of these in 2 days, into your garden, groundworks, everything in 2 days. I used to be a builder, and employing builders is difficult because there's always somebody bidding for their services. So you get a plasterer, there's hundreds of plasterers required around the country. So we design this and we build it in the factory under factory supervision, so all the parts are checked, but then we fit it, not with tradesmen, but with studio fitters.
Right.
So we ain't going to lose them. We pay them really good money. They give us really good attitude. We ain't going to lose them to... So if we say we can fit it in 2 days and we'll be there on Monday, very, very rare that we aren't there on Monday. And to be honest, putting one of these up in 2 days is very exciting, and the guys love it. So they get a kick out of it.
So, like you say, 2 days is a goal. It's, probably 3 days is realistic at the moment.
2. Well, whatever. I guarantee. I guarantee if we started it on the Monday, you'll be in it by the next Monday. you'll be moved
Yeah.
in.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Yeah, it's
into-
not weeks.
Yeah, I don't. It's that building. As I say, I was a builder. Being on people's gardens for that length of time.
People get fed up
They
with
do,
you.
and rightly so. We might be a good laugh there for a couple of days, but that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah.
You want rid of us after
Yeah.
that time. But, the guys are polite and hard working. But it does impact on your life. And if your parents are a bit elderly, it's stressful. They don't want a 6-week build of plasterers, electricians, plumbers, painters, bricklayers, ground workers, roofers. They don't want every Tom, Dick, and Harry turning up at the house.
So, and the main way you're getting around that is you're doing so much of the work in the workshop.
Oh, the work's done in the workshop. Yeah. So it's a modular prefab building. That's why you cannot phone us up and say, I want this bathroom, I want this kitchen, and I want this size. These are the sizes.
It's all designed to work in that space.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. That sounds really exciting. And
but the benefits are the cost, the speed, and the portability. That it's a temporary fix to a problem.
Yeah. No, that's fantastic. Thanks for that. And I'm sure I'll collar you again sometime for some more info. Thank you.